What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's Mac. I'm going to go over my trades from Monday, February the 24th, 2025. And you can see right here, there was a pretty big move this morning. So pre-market was started green, went neutral here at the open of my kill zone. Again, I'm not trading this area yet. Here is our open candle. Was kind of bullish. I think this one tried to print a sell at first, but stayed bullish. This candle comes way up here, rejects this skyline. This was what prints red. Now this is a huge candle. I'm kind of zoomed in, but this was a huge candle. Top of the wick is 801. Down here is 726. This is nearly full body and wick 100-point candle. So we're watching it in high strike, and Kyle's saying he's not sure about taking it yet. He wants a bit of a pullback, which normally I would agree with him, but as I said in my last video, washout candles don't matter on sells, on red candles. So I did hesitate a little bit. I was waiting to see if it would pop up. It popped up, what, like 10 points? And then it started coming back down. So I got in right here at the same level, the same entry level. We came down again. I'm going for 60 points because we're in the morning session. This one reached 42.5, so nearly to that original 1.5 to 1 level. I about got to the point I was going to bring my stop to the 1 to 1 ratio, but I held it where it was, and we came back, and I got break even by what? By 3 points. So, because this one wicked and closed back again below the original bag entry, again, I took no win, no loss. This was a break-even trade on the first one. I re-entered right here. So I re-entered here, and I caught a huge move. So, originally I had my 2 to 1 level set as my take profit. This candle gets below the 1 to 1, and you can't see it here, but it kind of bounced around right in this area. I was like, please don't come back, please don't come back. Then we start like strongly coming this way. So I quickly trimmed one of my contracts right here, held 2, and I held 2 to come down here towards this fire line. This was going to be my target. And I don't know what happened. I didn't move it far enough before it got caught, but it got caught right here for 104 points. So I caught 104 points on 2 of my 3 contracts. I came out with $475, which is more than my original target. So this was a huge win. As you can see, it keeps going. It breaks the fire line, and it goes like another 140 points past the fire line. So this total move from the original bag, if you didn't go to break even, from 726 to 441, almost 300 total points on the total move. It was an insane move down. So started to bounce back, rejects the fire line. This could have been another entry right here. This would have held. Well, no, not in there. It's 529. 30 points would have been got right here on this wick. So, but again, I'm not playing that level. That's not the 21. It's not my strategy. It did have the neutral close above. This would have played out. This would have been a great 2 to 1 trade here. But I was not really interested in that because of the fire line. I wasn't sure we were going to break it. And I was happy with this first win that I wasn't really looking for another trade. If I was going to take another trade, I would have downsized and not put on full risk. There's no need to throw away all the money I made in the first one. So once I'm seeing all this neutral sideways action, I closed my account. I locked it out, so no more trades. And thankfully, because this bag signal here at 116 would have been a stop out. It eventually got stopped out here. And this would have been the end of my day. So I would have had 1 win and 1 loss, or more than 1 win because of the first one. But got that huge win, no losses. Now this one, this is after my kill zone, so I'm not taking this anyway. If I was trading this late, I'm not sure I would take this trade because it comes down and closes back above this fire line with the sell signal. Now it did play out. You can look, it's still what, after 4 o'clock, we're all the way down here. This was another huge move down. So if you were playing the afternoon, this would have been a good trade, but I would have waited till this stronger close below the fire line here. Stronger close to then take it down. But like I said, I took these 2 trades, one break even, one for 104 points on my runners. It was a great day. So I'm going on to tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Now Wednesday, after the close, Nvidia is having earnings. So Wednesday might be a questionable day to trade, waiting on Nvidia's earnings. Nvidia is the top company in the stock market. So their earnings is going to be a huge play come Wednesday. But looking for a similar day tomorrow. I don't know if we can keep this downwards action. We've had huge moves down at the open the past few days. I'm not sure how low it's going to go. We might be getting a bounce back up soon. But on to tomorrow, and we'll see what the market brings us.